2015, question number 6. Read it. Let A, B, and C be three independent events. There you are given that important term, independent. What is the theory for independent events? So A, B, C. Let's take A, B, two events. They are independent. What is the theory? A intersect B is just the product of both these probabilities. This is the theory. If A and B events are independent, A intersect B probabilities, probability of A into probability of B. Just I wrote this to recap what we have discussed in meeting 1. Moving on. In the usual notation, express the probability P, A union B union C in terms of probabilities PA, PB, and PC. Now we need to derive probability of A union B union C in terms of PA, PB, PC. That means we can't have probability of A intersect B, A intersect C, those kind of notations. Only we can have probability of A, probability of B, probability of C. Okay, so we don't know an equation for the union of two events. We don't know the probability for the union of three events. Because of that, I'm going to reduce this for two events by considering B union C as D, my fourth event. I take B union C as D. Now this is probability of A union D. A union D. Now A union D, what is the equation? Probability of A plus probability of D minus probability of A intersect D. That is from the theorem 2. Equation for union. Now this is probability of A. Probability of D. What is D? D union C. Because we can't continue using D. D is a letter introduced by myself. I have to convert that to ABC. What is D? It is B union C. Now here, probability of A intersect. What is D? D is B union C. So here we have to use brackets carefully. B union C is written for D. That is A intersect B union C inside square brackets. Next step, PA already simplified. Now what is this union? For the union, again I can use the second theorem. This is written for B union C. What is B union C? PB plus PC minus B intersect C. Union is first event plus second event minus intersection of the two events. Now what is this? Here you have to remove the brackets. You have to remove these brackets. A intersect B. Again A intersect C. This is probability of A intersect B. A intersect B. One part. What is the second part? A intersect C. This is the second part. A intersect C. Then what is the notation in between these two? What is the notation in between? That is union. Because here we have union. A intersect B, union, A intersect C. Here we have to put the square bracket. Understood? Have questions? You can ask. Is it clear, everyone? අද මේ ලෙවල් කරන ළමයි ඉන්නේ නිකන් ලැජ්ජාවට මේ ප්‍රශ්න නොහා ඉන්න එපා. ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Okay. PA already simplified. PB is also simplified. PC, okay, done. What is this? B intersect C. Can you remember? A, B, C, three events were given as independent. These A, B, C events are independent. Then what can you say about B intersect C probability? That is the product of probability of B and probability of C. If B and C events are independent, their intersection can be written as probability of B into probability of C. This square bracket was written for this. Okay, minus. Now what is this? We have two events, A intersect B, A intersect C. The notation in between is union. Now we can apply this logic, this theorem. A union D, A, D minus intersection. Similarly, for this, these two are the events. Then it is probability of first event. This is the first event plus probability of the second event. What is the second event? This is the second event minus probability of their intersection. What is the intersection? First event, second event, and their intersection, like this. So here we have intersections everywhere. A intersect B, first event, A intersect C, second event, and also in between another intersection. Okay, PA plus PB plus PC. Now remove brackets minus PB, PC. So we can have PB, PC terms. These terms are allowed from the question. But we have to change this. What is this? Once again, independent theory. A intersect B is the product of PA, PB. Because A and B are independent. For A intersect B, I can apply this product multiplied by minus. Okay. Here, again, A intersect C. Since A and C are independent, that is written as PA, PC. A intersect C is PA, PC. That is plus into minus become minus. Now what is this? See, A intersect with B, again intersect with A. Just draw a Venn diagram for this to understand clearly. So we have three events A, B, C like this. We have three events A, B, C like this. A intersect B is this region. A intersect B. Okay, this is done. Then we have to intersect this intersection, A intersect B, again with A, again with A. That is also this shaded region, already shaded region. A intersect B is this, that need to be intersected by A again. A again. What is A? This circle. So this red color part intersected with this entire circle is also the already shaded part. Then we have done up to that part. We need to intersect that with C. Intersect this already shaded one with C. What is C? This circle. So this small part is not going to intersect with C. That erased part is not going to intersect with C. I think that is clear. Therefore, A intersect B, intersect A, intersect C is this intersection of all A, B, C. Understood? Anyone saying need to explain that again? Okay. Now for that, for this entire thing, you can write just this is minus into minus become plus. What was our shaded one? A intersect B intersect C. Now what is this? A intersect B intersect C, PA, PB, PC. Because A, B, C, everything are independent. Then intersection of all three independent events can be written as PA into PB into PC. So this is the derivation. So A union B union C. Okay, understood.